Hello, my name is Carlos Eduardo Solarte. I am 31 years old. I am from Guaitarilla, Nariño. I live in Manizales Caldas. I am a student of the psychology. My hobby, reading the lives of the saints. I am married and I live about at the moment because of my work. I don't watch television. My favorite sport is basketball. My daily activities are: in the morning, I get up early at 5 am. I take a shower with hot water. I have a hot breakfast. I dress up. I am working to work. I check the task for the day and start working until lunchtime. Activities in the afternoon. In the afternoon, I have lunch in a restaurant. I take a 20 minutes nap. I get up, go to the office to work. I go to work. I do in the afternoon at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I go out for coffee while break. I finish my work activities at 7 o'clock at night. Activities in the evening. In the evening, I get home at around 9. Dinner, I check the tasks of the University of Advanced Work. I have a special communication with my wife via video call. We say goodbye at 12. I go sleep. Thank you. Bye bye.